Hi, I'm Daisy from Currys, and today we have a craving for some delicious home-baked bread. So we're going to try out a Panasonic Breadmaker, and here's 3 reasons why we love it. It comes with up to 21 programs, it can do artisan-style kneading, and it has dual sensors as well. So we're going to head to the lab now, where it's set up in the studios, and we're going to get some bread on the go. So we're here in the lab now, and this is the Panasonic Breadmaker, and as you can see, we're actually lucky enough to have 4 on the go. Me and the team have been prepping some delicious recipes using the 21 programs. So there's a whole wide variety of ingredients going on here. Over here, we're baking a gluten-free chocolate cake. So we've actually used option 11 to make this. So this is great because if you have ever cooked gluten-free products before, you'll know that they're usually harder to blend, whereas this does all the work for you, so it kneads it to the perfect texture, so you never have to compromise on taste, whilst you can still leave those kind of allergens out. Over here we've got some whole wheat bread cooking. We've used option 6, the whole wheat rapid program for that one. Here we've literally just taken this out fresh, perfect dough, baked in 45 minutes, and we're going to make in pizza dough balls with that, so I'm very, very excited. And as you can see, it's not just bread we've got going on, we're making red currant jam in this one. So by the end of this video, oh, it smells amazing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to see how we got on. So the second feature we're taking a look at is the artisan-style kneading. So we have a spare bread pan here, which obviously goes inside the bread makers. But the secret here lies within the really innovative technology from Panasonic, which actually replicates the kneading techniques of an artisan baker. So you have the Kneading Blade here, which works with these specially placed ribs. So Nick, if you come closer, you'll see those ribs inside. And of course, you can actually see the indentations here as well. And pop the blade in here and you'll see this is how it turns. So that's how the kneading works to get you that perfect texture every single time, which is what gets you that really high quality bread. And finally, the last feature we're taking a look at on this Panasonic Breadmaker is the dual sensors. So the secret to getting the best quality recipes every single time is all down to the perfect temperature. And this has 2 built-in sensors, which determines the temperature both internally and externally to really optimize each program every single step along the way. That's why we've managed to make a whole host of recipes today, and they've all turned out really, really well. I'm impressed, and I've had a taste, but I think it's about time we welcome crew to set so they can have a taste as well. Come on guys, don't be shy. If you'd like more info on the Panasonic Breadmaker, then you can visit us here in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.